Hi, welcome to episode 2 of Mandy and Anthony Travels. This episode, there is actually some travelling, unlike the first episode. Hope you enjoy it. It's split into 2 parts because it's quite long. It's the cruise that we took over New Year. Hope you enjoy it. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe at the end if you would like to. I would love you to. Thank you. So,
we've just been to the gym.
Well, we've been to look at the gym and we're exhausted already. This is the first stop from the cruise. We're in Hamburg. Crisp, cold, blue skies, lovely day. How good are the chips?
Great!
And so that's it, the sun has set on 2019 and it's been a glorious day. You can just about hear the fireworks behind us already, so they've started early. I'm back to the ship now and we've got the meal where we all have to dress up in fancy clothes and stuff. But